Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, fertility specialist, 49 Fertility Center, Banjara Hills. Today I am going to answer a question asked by a viewer. What is the difference between an IUI and IVF? So what we do in an IUI procedure is we try to grow 2 to 3 eggs in the ovaries and we give trigger injection to make the eggs release from the ovaries. After the egg release, we take the sperm sample from the husband, separate the fast moving sperms and drop it inside the uterus. So we are helping the sperms a little and we are matching it with the time of ovulation. But the fertilization of the egg has to happen naturally in the body. After dropping the sperms, the further process of fertilization of the sperms moving to the fallopian tube, meeting the egg and fertilizing the egg are happening in the body. Hence in IUI we are actually not creating baby, but we are increasing your chances of pregnancy by helping the sperms a little, overcoming cervical factors and also overcoming any factors related to the sexual act. So this is about IUI. So chances with IUI are 15 to 20%. So what is IVF is, what we do is we give injections to the lady for 10 to 12 days to grow multiple eggs in the ovary. So when we expect a good IVF cycle, if I can have around 12 to 15 eggs in the ovaries, we try to grow all of those eggs. After the eggs are ready, like how we give trigger in IUI, same we give the trigger in IVF, but we don't want the eggs to be released in the body. So what we do is, by a procedure called ovum pickup, which is done under anesthesia, we take these eggs outside the body. Outside the body, each mature egg is then combined with a sperm by a process called ICSI. So each egg is injected with a sperm under the microscope. After this ICSI, we keep these injected eggs in a good culture media in the incubator and we observe them for fertilization next day. So whatever eggs are fertilized next day, these are actually the babies. These embryos started forming. So these embryos then we keep in the lab in the incubator for around 5 to 6 days so that we get a good grade blastocyst stage embryo. So what we are doing in IVF is we are actually physically combine egg and sperm. We are checking the fertilization. We can check the embryo quality. We can know how many embryos are formed, which are actually the beginning of the pregnancy or the babies. So these embryos then we put back inside the uterus. So it's like a baby which we are putting back into the uterus. So only implantation process has to happen naturally. For that process also we give support in the form of hormones. So your body will have extra hormones to support the pregnancy. So this was IVF. So the main difference between IUI and IVF is, IUI what we do is we just match the time of ovulation and we help the sperms a little. We are not creating embryos or we are not creating babies. The fertilization process has to happen naturally in IUI. So chances in IUI are 15 to 20%, but in IVF, because we are taking out eggs and we are combining with the sperms, making the embryos or babies outside the body, the chances go higher, up to 60 to 70%. So this is the difference between IUI and IVF.